Hi, Dr. Michael Moulton coming to you again from Adelaide here at Epiclinic, the Epiclinic YouTube channel on cosmetic procedures. So today what I thought I'd talk about is that there's still a lot of confusion about the difference between surgery and medicine, cosmetic medicine and cosmetic surgery. These are two totally different things. They have their different skill sets. And the best way to think about this is if you go to the GP, you don't suddenly find yourself unconscious on the operating table. So the doctor will listen to what you've got to say and examine you and maybe prescribe some medication for you, but they don't do any operations or anything like that. So on the other hand, if you go to hospital and you need like a hip replacement, you're going to see a surgeon, and the surgeon's going to operate on you with an anaesthesia test and so forth. So just the same as there's a difference between surgeons in general surgery and all the other surgical specialties and the medical side of things, there's a big difference between cosmetic surgery and cosmetic medicine. So what's the difference? All right, so I mentioned different skill sets. Well, you don't learn either of these things when you go to medical school. So when you graduate as a doctor, you actually have to get some extra training. And none of these things are actually taught in any of the specialist models either. So if you become a plastic surgeon, for instance, you've still got to go out of the public system, find someone to teach you how to inject, how to do these things, or if you're a plastic surgeon, how to do breast augmentation, all those sorts of things. Now, what we're talking about here, and we're always going to be talking about on this channel, is cosmetic medicine. Cosmetic medicine involves the prescription of special medications, which are like heart tablets or asthma medication, or any of those sorts of medical processes that you would see a doctor for that doesn't operate on you. So these prescription medications, they're scheduled medications just the same as I mentioned, heart tablets and asthma tablets and all those sorts of things. You need a medical practitioner who's trained in these procedures to prescribe these medications. You just can't walk into a pharmacy and buy them, just the same as you can't buy heart tablets and so forth. So really important, make the difference in your mind about the difference between cosmetic medicine, we don't do operations, cosmetic surgery, they do operations. Thanks for your company today. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time.